Personal finance tips. He earned $5,000 a month, but had just $210 in his account at the end of the year. Not because of gambling. Not because of theft. Because no one ever taught him how to manage money. Isn't that the case with most of us? The invisible trap. Think about it. We go through school solving algebra, memorizing the periodic table, but never once learning how to budget, save, or invest. So what happens? We enter adulthood with a job and bleed money through 1,000 small cuts. Subscription here, EMI there, online shopping at 2M, and suddenly we're broke, not because we don't earn enough, but because we don't know how to keep what we earn. This video isn't about getting rich overnight. It's about something much harder and far more important: becoming financially free. And I'm going to give you 7 personal finance truths that I wish someone had whispered in my ear when I turned 20. The hard truths. 1. Track every dollar you spend. It sounds boring. It feels controlling. But the first step to controlling your money is seeing where it goes. Use an app. Use a notebook. Doesn't matter. Just know where your money leaks. Because you can't fix what you don't measure. 2. Create a simple budget. 50/30/20 rule. 50% needs. 30% wants. 20% savings and investments. If your wants are eating into your savings, you're not living, you're escaping. 3. Emergency fund equals peace of mind. Life doesn't ask before slapping you. Hospital bills. Sudden layoffs. Family emergencies. Build 3 to 6 months of expenses in a separate account. Don't touch it unless it's truly urgent. It's not just financial, it's emotional security. For credit cards are tools, not traps. Used wisely, they build your credit score and offer rewards. Used blindly, they drag you into 36% interest hell. Never spend what you can't repay by the due date. Never. Fifth. Learn to say no. Peer pressure is expensive. Your friend may buy an iPhone on EMI. You don't need to match them. You need to match your goals. 6. Invest early, not when you're rich. Start with $20 per month. It doesn't matter. The earlier you start, the less you'll need later. Because time beats timing, always. 7. Avoid lifestyle inflation. You got a raise. Suddenly, new clothes. New gadgets. Zomato every day. But if your expenses rise as your income rises, you'll stay poor, just in fancier clothes. Let me tell you a story. A friend of mine, brilliant guy, engineer, great job, 6-figure salary. But one accident, one hospital bill, 1 month without pay, and he had to borrow money just to survive. Not because he was lazy, not because he was irresponsible, but because he was never taught how to prepare. We assume salary equals security. But in truth, only systems give you security. And the saddest part? No one claps for you when you avoid debt. No one cheers when you don't buy that expensive watch. But that's the real flex. Not flashy, but free. So here's the twist. Personal finance isn't about money. It's about control. Control over your decisions. Control over your time. Control over your life. Because you're watching this, chances are, you don't want to be rich. You want to be safe. And safety? That comes not from earning more, but from knowing what to do with what you already have. Share this with someone who always says, "I'm broke by the 10th." And subscribe, because here, we talk about money like real people. No suits, no sales, just straight up sense. Stay wise. Stay free.